Welcome everybody. Today I want to show you a video walkthrough of the new Fort Wilderness Disney Vacation Club cabins. Here's a concept art of the outside of the cabin that doesn't really look like a cabin. This is what Disney had released before, so I think they have different colored ones. Even in the background you can see a brown one. So before I just had pictures of the concept art, but now here is actual video of the inside of the cabin, and I love these little touches. So here's the concept art that Disney had released of the main living area, and here's the actual video of it. You can see the drapes on the left, the pull down bed right in the middle, this beautiful art of Mickey with the trailer. Yeah, it's a fold down bed. It is queen size. And there says greetings. I love this. Greetings from Fort Wilderness. Now this specific graphic is from the Mickey's trailer short in 1938. That's where they had that inspiration for that artwork from. And then you can go canoeing here at Fort Wilderness if you didn't know. And this is the main room with the two bunk beds. But you see the paddles that they have. Because you can canoe there, they have paddles built on the left side of the bunk bed, and the colors match the Fab Five characters. So Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Pluto, or not Pluto, Goofy. Oh, they don't have Pluto. Here's the main queen size bed, and then a throwback to River Country, which used to be a place right next to Fort Wilderness, a water theme park, which the rumor is they're going to build this out as Reflections, as another DVC they're going to add on to Fort Wilderness. So that's the secret best thing coming up. Here is the main living quarters, the lamp. Now let's take a look at some of the details here. It is look darker than the concept art because they pulled all the drapes and everything. Here is drawers beneath the bunk beds. The bunk beds have built-in the lamps on each level. It has built-in chargers, USB chargers, and it's beautiful. The art, the themed pillows. Yep, you can go fishing here, catch and release. I mean, I love the fact that it's really low points for this, but I wouldn't want to own here. Here's a hidden Mickey because it's very expensive. We're gonna show you the art inside this wash room. Here's the art of Chip and Dale. But yeah, the maintenance fees are so expensive each year. So here's a closer look at the drapery with Chip and Dale. And then this is above the main bed, little fixtures with Chip and Dale. The art and everything is fantastic. The theming, I do love the theming. This is the art by the bunk beds with Chip and Dale. November 19th is the day this resort opened. Was it 1971, 72? I'm not sure the exact year, but it was very early on in the Disney World's development. And this is that was a short that the Chip and Dale was inspired from, the art. Again, just the overview, themed pillows. I'm very excited about this place. I just hope I can get it because I will not own here, you know. I would like to stay here though, and I'm excited about it. So hopefully you're excited too. And this should open June. Have a great day.